Namaskar, welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, I would like to introduce you all women achievers in modern India. Vijayalakshmi Pandit, she is a great Indian diplomat, politician, born in 1900 at Allahabad. She is the sister of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, and the third Prime Minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, is her niece. She served as Indian diplomat to UK. Later, she worked as ambassador to several countries. She was elected as president to United Nations General Assembly and was the first woman president of UNO. She was the first woman to hold a cabinet post in 1938 after her election to United Province. In 1979, she was appointed to UN Human Rights Commission and later she retired from her active politics. Sarojini Naidu, Nightingale of India. She was a woman of courage, actively participated in the freedom movement, a poet, efficient administrator, excellent orator. She was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad. Her parents, Aghornath Chattopadhyaya, the then principal of Nizam College, and Sundari Devi. Later, she married to Govindarajulu Naidu, a Telugu person. She was very thorough in Bengali, Telugu, English, Urdu and Persian languages. She was educated in Madras, London, later in Cambridge. She was the first woman president of Indian National Congress in 1925. She became the first woman governor to United Province in 1947 and first woman governor in independent India to Uttar Pradesh. She was a poet, singer and she is very popular as Bharat Kokila, that is the Nightingale of India. Her popular publications are Golden Threshold, that is in this name only her memorial is there in Hyderabad, The Bird of Time, The Broken Wing, The Feather of the Dawn, etc. Many more are there. Sucheta Kriplani, she was the freedom fighter and the first woman chief minister in India. She founded All India Mahila Congress in 1940. She became the chief minister to Uttar Pradesh during 1963 and 67. In honor of her, a hospital in New Delhi is named after her, Sucheta Kriplani Hospital. She was born in Ambala on 25th June 1908 and she died in 1974 in New Delhi. Her father was S.N. Mujumdar. Her husband, Acharya Kriplani, a prominent freedom fighter. Another great person, Aruna Asaf Hali. She was a freedom fighter, actively participated in Quit India movement in 1942. She became Delhi's first mayor in 1958 and third female recipient of Bharat Ratna in 1997 posthumously. She was born in 1909 and died in 1996. Then Indira Priyadarshini, our beloved Indira Gandhi, a very powerful politician, efficient leader, very intelligent administrator. She was the first and the only woman Prime Minister of India and third Prime Minister also. She was honoured by BBC as Women of Millennium in 1999. Indira Priyadarshini Nehru was born in November 1917 at Allahabad, Prayagraj, UP. Her parents are Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Kamala Nehru. She was educated in Switzerland, Bombay and also trained in Santiniketan and continued education in Oxford. As a small girl, she founded Bala Charaka Sangh and Vanara Sena with children to support freedom fighters and she participated in freedom fight. She married later Firoz Gandhi on March 26, 1942. She published several books. She is an author also. She is a recipient of Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award of India. Several national and international awards just came to her. She is a very popular Indian politician internationally. She was honoured in several countries. She was the Prime Minister from 66 to 1977 and 80 to 84, the second longest PM next to Nehru. That's all in this video. I will come to you again with some more great women achievers of India. Thank you. God bless you all.